Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. I really appreciate it. So hey, in today's video, I want to talk with you guys about growth stocks. So in this video, we're going to be going over exactly what a growth stock is. And then hopefully if I do a good job with this video, by the time you reach the end of this video and you watched it all the way through, hopefully you'll have a much better understanding of what a growth stock is. And that'll help you decide if growth stocks are something that you would like to add to your portfolio. So before we get into the video, if you could just do me a huge favor, tap the red subscribe button on this video, and then also be sure to give this video a like, as it really helps out my channel here on YouTube with the YouTube algorithm. I would really appreciate it, and besides, it only takes a second and it's totally free. Thank you so much for taking the time to do that. I really appreciate it. Now, with that being said, let's get into the video. So what exactly are growth stocks? So growth stocks are stocks that are expected to grow at a rate that is significantly more and faster than the overall average growth rate of the overall stock market. These growth stocks typically do not pay out a dividend. Instead, these growth companies reinvest all of their revenue back into their business to focus on and accelerate the growth of the business. So a really great example of a growth stock that, utilizes this strategy of focusing on growth rather than paying out, money such as a dividend to their investors is none other than the company Tesla. I mean, they do a really great job of utilizing their revenue and reinvesting it back into their business to accelerate and focus on their growth. And this stock is tremendously popular amongst, investors that focus on investing on growth stocks. And it's just a really great company and a powerful brand. So like I said, Tesla is a growth stock. They're not a dividend company. They do not pay out a dividend. Instead, they reinvest their earnings and their revenue back into their business to focus on and accelerate the growth of the company. And they've done a really great job utilizing this strategy, making the shareholders of Tesla very, very happy. So investors that invest in growth stocks, the way that they go about anticipating to make their money is through eventually selling their shares in the future, and where they make their money is on their capital gains, which is basically the profit that they're going to gain as that they've sold their shares for substantially more than whatever the purchase price that they originally bought their shares at. So I hope I helped you have a better understanding of exactly what growth stocks are, and that hopefully with this understanding you can then make a better decision about whether or not growth stocks are something that you would like to add to your portfolio. I would really like to hear what you guys thought about growth stocks, and if you do invest in growth stocks, tell me down in the comment section below exactly what growth stocks you invest in. So if you didn't subscribe earlier, let's go ahead and take care of that now. Tap that red subscribe button for me. I don't know why you wouldn't subscribe. You're going to get all this great information for totally free, not costing you a cent. And also, let's go ahead and tap that like button on this video as well. It really helps out my channel here with the algorithm on YouTube. And again, I would really appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.